Lima, full stop.
Cessna 19688, Chino Tower, make right traffic, runway 26 right.
Right traffic, 26 right, Cessna 688.
Skyhawk 688, extend downwind, number 4, follow Bonanza, 6 mile ILS final.
Alright, number 4, I'll be looking for the Bonanza, Cessna 688. Tower, Cessna 688. Where's the Bonanza now?
November 688, continue downwind. Traffic is on a 3 mile final at 1,500 descending.
688, continue downwind, still looking.
Cessna 688, traffic to follow is heading to your right, about a 2 mile final at 1,200 indicated.
688.
November 688, traffic to follow, passed off your right wing, base approved. Number 2, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Number 2, 26 right, clear to land, 688.
Bonanza 97 Mike, roger, continue westbound, contact SoCal departure.
Switching to SoCal, Bonanza 97 Mike.
And November 97 Mike, before you go, traffic departing runway 26 left, the Cessna is also westbound. Cessna 26 uniform, traffic behind and to your right, upwind runway 26 right is a Bonanza.
I'm looking for traffic, 26 uniform.
Uniform, the Bonanza now passed you off the right side. He's northwestbound towards the bracket. Frequency change approved.
Traffic inside, frequency change approved, 26 uniform.
Cessna 688, say taxi request.
Taxi back, 688.
Cessna 688, next taxiway Delta, turn right, contact ground off the runway 121.6.
Right Delta to 1.6, 688.
Good.